Okay, I wanted to make a video to show how you can measure perspective, what I call bent space, what ball earthers call curvature. Okay, it's simple. You can actually measure the curvature of this straight horizon. Okay, even though it's flat level, you can get a ruler and you can measure it up. It's flat level, but we're going to measure the curvature in this flat line. Okay, and the way you do that is by angles. Okay, because the distance from here to here is the same distance as from here to here with perspective. Okay, if you draw it on a 3D diagram, this measurements, okay, and you get the angles on a two-dimensional piece of paper, because x distance, okay, and the angles to those distances from the distance from here to here and from here to here should line up. Okay, but because you have perspective, okay, like how a road goes to a point, okay, well, if this road continued on dead straight and dead straight, well, then therefore you don't have perspective. You have 3 dimensions. Okay, you understand that? So basically, if you go and measure a tower, okay, one tower, you can get it on Google Earth, and you can measure the angle to another tower, okay, and then you can measure the distance between those 2 towers, okay, you can get the angle from where you're standing. Okay, you understand that? Well, because you have perspective, what happens is things converge in. So what happens is this angle will actually be this angle, when I can find my pen. Well, it will be from here to this point, and from here to this point. The angle will be different. Okay, even though this is the actual length, the same with the road, okay, this is the actual length, and when you look down the horizon, that is the actual length, but it's not. That's because you have perspective. You understand that? The distance of this point, for example, this road is 10 meters wide. Well, the distance of this point is 10 meters wide. Do you understand that? That's because you're measuring bent space, perspective. You're not measuring curvature. The road isn't curvature in, it's perspective. Okay. Anyway, there's a little demonstration and a little experiment for you to do, and you can see that you can measure bent space. You can actually measure the horizon, the flat horizon, the curvature in the flat horizon. Anyway, thanks for watching.